415 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, in Gaza. And the war is still going on. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday, November the 25th, 2024. And we have not so good news. In today's newspaper we have only 3 regular puzzles, and one of those puzzles I've already solved, the 3 stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain, the binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 9650. 650. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 printed digits. Well, usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 1 digit more. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. A 3 stars puzzle is I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Well, we have 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9. Then 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4, okay. Need a 2, need a 8, need a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have 2 and a 5 in the last row. No 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8, 8. Okay, 8, 8. Then 5, 5. Need a 2. Need a 3 here. Well, in the last row we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look at 3 in this column. Last column, no 3 there. Here we can place a 3 because we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the only place level 3 in the last row should be there. So the 1 and the 7 are left. Let me mark those. Okay. 3, 3. 2, 2. How about? Need an 8 here. 6, need a 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 5. We have 1 and the 6 and the 5 in this column, so no 1 and the 6 and the 5 in these 3 boxes. 1, 6, and the 5 goes in those 3 boxes as a triplet. 1, 6, and a 5. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2, 4. So, well. Need a 2 there. Need a 4 in this row, last row. 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places level 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And we have a pair in this column. We have 2 and a 4 in this column, 2 and a 4 in the middle column. So the column next only 2 places level 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So 1 is left in this column for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 9, okay. 1, 7, and I need a 8 here. 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box level 7 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 8. Should be there. And then 1, 4, 5. 6, 6. Well. Come on. If all the 3s and all the 3s are used, I can see. Yeah, digital 1, number 3. 4, 4. The 2 there. Come on. These 3 missing numbers in this row are numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. Need a 2 there. Need a 4 here. No 2. Need a 5. I'm thinking. 2. 2. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4. 2, 9, 3, 4, 6. Okay. So we have 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column. The only place left for the 4. I should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 and the 5. So 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing was a 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. So the 6 and the 5 are left. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, now only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left with the 6 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes with the 6 and 5. We have a 6 now in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. So 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 7 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place level 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. And then, let me see, 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1 is missing, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 or a 7. We have a 7 now in the last column, so this can be 7 and more. This box should be a 1. 1 or 7. We have a 1 now, so this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Well, another 4, another 3, another 2. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm real pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.